Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So here we see this beautiful pixie undercut, and then we see a stylist giving his client a makeover. So she started off with long hair and he's cutting the hair into this beautiful pixie haircut. Absolutely gorgeous classic pixie, longer bangs in the front. She looks amazing. And then we see someone DIYing their own hair color. Oh wow, she did a great job with this. Beautiful rose gold pixie. The color looks really pretty and she added some nice choppiness with the way that she styled it. So then we have someone with a gorgeous shoulder length haircut. She does have bangs in the front, beautiful pops of purple and turquoise in the midst of like a gray silver tone. Very interesting color combination. And she is using and rocking the undercolor trend. If you guys want to know more details about that, I do have a video that kind of showcases what that trend is and how we're seeing it being worn. So we move into the next hair transformation. So it looks like she's getting her ends cut. Some color added. Oh, beautiful job. I was not expecting her to go darker. I was actually thinking that she was going to go lighter. And it looks like she might be getting money piece highlights as well. Absolutely beautiful color job. And you can see that slight hint of the subtle money piece going in the front. Gorgeous. So I don't know about you guys, but I felt so inspired checking out that video. And if you want to see more inspiring hair videos, check this one out and I will see you in the next one.